explain you about how to use images, videos, iframes, and how to create a form. So here is my basic HTML page with the template HTML head and the body tags, and this is my web page. This is the header where I gave the image and Linux as my text, and this is all put in a header tag. Then I've created links using an anchor tag, and to create a video I use the tag video and set the width and height for that, and the controls which will give me the display of the controls, and the source is given by source tag and src of the video name. The video isn't supported by the browser. You can put the text inside the video tag, so if I don't give the controls, these controls won't be visible. And this is normal, or if some text, and to give an audio instead of the video I give an audio, and this goes same. Audio isn't supported by browser. So this is how it's given: a source and HTML tag and the core and controls. If I wouldn't give the controls, it wouldn't come. And I've given the autoplay so that the audio would play every time I reload the page. So I reload the page and the audio is played. So pause it and the loop, so it wants so that it will play automatically again and again. Then I have given the frame set to give this box with a sign up as the legend, and I created the input boxes using input type equal to text and the password is equal to password. And when I use the type equal to password, the password would become in form of bullets, which the text won't be visible. While if I give the type equal to text, you can see the username, which is visible to the normal human beings. Then since these are required, if I wouldn't enter the username and try to register, it would give me an alert box saying that to fill it. This is because I've given the required argument. So I've given the details and register, so to go to the next page. Then I have given the contactors using normal tables and anchor tags. Then I created it. Then I've got an iframe from the Google to give a map of the Linux Foundation, and I go to the next page, and here is the form, and here is the second HTML page where the form is created. Then submit your resume, so the name is set is required again, and it is type equal to text, and the middle name. Okay, then the placeholder works. I'll show you. This is the placeholder. Enter your last name. Placeholder is actually a really like text which is over inside a text box, and every time you type something in the text box, the placeholder gets replaced. It just gives you it just gives you information what you need to type inside the text box. Then the word is given by type equal to date. Type equal to date, and name of the box's birthday. So when I click select, it gives me a date picker which I need to select anything. Then age in years, which ranges from minimum equal to 19 and 30. If I give anything more than 30, it might be entered, but when anytime I click it, it's going to show me an error. Okay, I didn't give this, so it's going to give me an error. So only date I can select is between 18 to 30. Then the gender, where I use input type equal to radio, and by default I use the checked argument so that the mailbox would be checked. Then this is the progress bar. This progress bar shows me what's the progress of my form, and then the address details, and I got the bigger text box by using text area where rows equal to 4 and columns equal 50, and label, give the city, town, and name text box, and zip code is given in number, where the pattern should be given in such a way where only 6 digits should be accepted, so it's from 0 to 9, and the number of digits that need to be accepted is 6, is given in parenthesis. And next comes the telephone number, which is in input type equal to number, and the pattern is given in this form with the placeholder, which gives the user the information how the number needs to be. Then the mobile number. Then comes the email. To enter an email, you need to type type equal to email, where email can be validated only when at the rate is present and a dot. If at the rate and dot isn't present in an email, it would be invalid. So which will help you validate the email box. The website is given by type equal to URL, where URL needs to have https or no s and slash and www.xyz.com. It's gonna be validated. And next, this checkbox are given by type equal to checkbox, and the name of the option 1 is done, and this is the input type equal to text. And to create a list, I use the tag select with options value option and value choose. So every time I choose, the value gets selected. And next, the date here, using the input type equal to date, ending here input type equal date. And last thing, choose file. For that, I use fields, then I use input type equal to file, so that the input type is a file and the name of the box, and accept. It should accept only document files or PDF files. If I need to accept everything, I'm gonna put this as a star, where it accepts all of the files. And since I use only document and PDF, I'll show you. Choose a file is gonna request for me doc or PDF, and any other file will not be accepted or visible in the dialog box unless you select all files. So when you select this, you check on the I fill the details form, which is a required. I put it as a required, and this is how the form is made. So thank you guys for watching.